Pistol squats. Keep the leg out for counterbalance, hands out in front of you as well. Try and keep that hip and that knee stable. Just down as far as you can stabilize, and then back up. Nice and smooth. Taking your time, not in a big rush. Only as deep as you can stabilize. And then going back up. You're gonna get something behind you, use as a target, or at the very least make you feel more comfortable. So you don't feel like you're gonna fall on your rear end on the floor and hurt yourself. Just as deep as you can stabilize it. The objective is to challenge your ability to stabilize, not to get all the way to the floor. Now let's do it on the dumb leg. Because my right leg, especially after the SI injury a couple years ago, is pretty unstable. Between a history of rolled ankles, an SI injury when I sprained my SI joint somehow a couple years back, and just kind of a goofy knee in general on that side. My right leg is just kind of goofy. And so it's really important for me to be doing stuff like this. And of course, like all the coaches out there, I'm really bad at taking my own advice. So again, from the side, kind of looks like this. Get the other leg out in front of you. Come down. Ideally, trying to keep your back and your shin parallel, just like on a regular squat. We're just doing it one-legged to make it harder to stabilize. 13. Trying to hold on to that whole foot. There we go.